Hello, people. It's your girl, Chaucer. yeah, I'm just sitting at home and I wanted to sing you guys one of my favorite songs. It's called Gravity by Sarah Bareilles. And if you haven't heard of it, it's really, really pretty and you guys should look it up and listen to it. So, I'm just gonna sing you like a little part of it. I'm in the singing mode today. so, yes. Um, Hope you enjoy it. It's a little part. Yeah. You hold me without touch. You keep me without chains. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel your rain. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna find another moment in your gravity. Here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be, and you're on me.